Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, chances are your Linksys Wi-Fi extender isn't working, and you're at your wit's end. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll go through step-by-step troubleshooting to get you Wi-Fi extender back up and running. Step 1. Initial checks. First things first, let's start with the basics. Make sure your extender is plugged in and powered on. Check if the power light is on. If it's not, try a different power outlet. Step 2. Check the connections. Next, ensure that your extender is within range of your main router. It should be placed halfway between your router and the area with a weak signal. Also, double check that all cables are securely connected. Step 3. Reboot your devices. Sometimes, a simple reboot can solve many issues. Unplug your extender and router, wait for about 1 minute, and then plug them back in. This can often resolve connectivity problems. Step 4. Reset the extender. If rebooting didn't work, you might need to reset your extender. Locate the reset button, usually a small pinhole, and press it for about 10 seconds using a paperclip or pin. This will restore it to factory settings. Step 5. Reconfigure the extender. Open a web browser and enter http://extender.linksys.com in the address bar. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process again. Step 5. Reconfigure the extender. After resetting, you'll need to reconfigure your extender. Connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, usually named Linksys Extender Setup. Open a web browser and enter http://extender.linksys.com in the Thank you for watching.